Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, I want to talk about self-defense. And I had noticed something that was brought to my attention. This was sent to me from my husband's Facebook. And it's about a woman that went to Rural King. In Hernando County, Florida. Now, Hernando County is not too far from us, okay? And I'll read to you what it says here, okay? She said, so we went to Rural King, me and the two kids, and this man is walking in the parking lot. At first, he was at Harbor Freight, and I wasn't paying attention, really, and I pulled close to the door of Rural King, and by the time the kids got out of the car and walking, this man literally gained up on us so fast. Got the kids inside. People are standing inside watching him. I got what I needed to get fame out. I don't know. Maybe it was family out. Police were there, made him take off his black clothing and mask. I got back into the car with the kids. He walked past my car looking at me, and this man had his mask, his clothes, and binoculars. Binoculars for what? Anyway, he opened his truck, threw his stuff in, and sat in his car. And so police pulled over again to watch him. Why are you walking in a parking lot with all of this and binoculars and you have a car? Weirdo. Taught kids a lesson today. Now, this guy is dressed up as a clown. So is this, remember with all the hoopla, what was it, 3-4 years ago, remember with the thing with the clown masks? Is this going to be a thing now? Now here's this guy taking off his clown mask and his black clothes, and now here he is just sitting here in his car. Look, that looks like either a Nissan Maxima or an Acura. So, you know, listen, if this is going to start up again, I know that my subscribers, like 85% of you are women, okay? And I don't know how old you are, okay, but I'm 44 years old. Can you defend yourself if you're walking in a parking lot and you have either your children or your grandchildren or your nieces and nephews with you? Can you defend yourself? And I mean, you know, because 9 times out of 10, when we go to a store, I don't have my gun on me. I don't have a knife on me. I just want to get in, get what I need to get, and get the hell out. Now, if this is what you see walking in a parking lot, gaining on you, can you defend yourself? Hand-to-hand combat? Can you turn around and just beat the hell out of this guy and show him who's boss? Can you? I need you to think about this. Because if this is happening now, imagine what it's going to be like when shit hits the fan. And I am not kidding. Ladies and gentlemen, even for the guys, okay? Because if you're older, if you're disabled, okay, I really need you to think. If you see this coming at you or walking behind you, are you ready? Can you literally pummel his butt to the ground? I can't. Not unless I got some kind of a weapon on me. So, what's next? What is next? Can we take self-defense classes right now? No. Why? Coronavirus. Oop. I'm sorry. I cursed. Seriously, think about it. A mom and her two little kids almost got taken over by some whack job creepazoid in a Rural King parking lot. Who was obviously watching her because he had binoculars on him. Binoculars? Really? And this just happened this morning. We really, really, really need to keep our eyes open, our ears open, and know our surroundings 24/7. This is not a game anymore. People are losing their shite over here, okay? It is getting weird. If it's not Antifa or BLM, it's this. Who the hell has time for this now? I mean, seriously, people are not acting like humans no more, man. I'm telling you. So sound off in the comments. Can you defend yourself without a weapon? Because I don't think that this young mom had a gun or a knife or any kind of weapon on her while walking into Rural King with her two little kids, so she would be able to defend herself against some whack job like that. Really sit and think. Now, I know one of my subscribers does live in Rural King. We all live in Rural King because I got the best prices and supplies. But listen, I know one of my subscribers lives in Hernando County. What's really going on in Hernando County? What is this? Seriously, what is that? Who does this? God, man. Eyes and ears open. Eyes and ears open, ladies. Come on. We have to learn how to defend ourselves. I have disabilities, okay? I have always been upfront with that. Honest with that. I have disabilities, okay? From head to toe, I will tell you every single disability that I have. I can't even get a job because as soon as I apply and go in for an interview, even with the way that I walk, they can tell that I'm disabled. I used to work at Dollar Tree. And the general manager, the store manager, or whatever title it was that she had, told me that I have too many disabilities. And I told her, I said, if you try and fire me because of my disabilities, I said, that is against the law. That bit her in the ass real quick. Just saying. But there's no way I would be able to defend myself against that. So, Sean texted me this and he said, listen, no more going to the store by yourself. He said, order online all you want. He said, but if you have to go to the store, he said, either I go with you, Mom goes with you, or Dawn goes with you. Okay. Even Mom and Dawn, they are no longer allowed to go to the store by themselves. Even Dawn, my sister, she's got Cariana and Dominic, my 5-year-old and 10-year-old niece. She is no longer allowed to go to the store by herself. Mom has to go, I have to go, or Sean has to go. We cannot take chances. Because if this is the kind of crap that's going to start happening, absolutely not. So, I want to hear, can you defend yourself or not? And if you cannot, what steps are you willing to take to defend yourself, to learn how to defend yourself, because, you know, I have a knife with me, but see, here in Florida, if the blade is any more than 4 inches long, it's illegal to carry it on you. But regardless, a 4-inch blade can do some serious damage. So that's what I've got in my purse. But seriously though, I don't carry a gun with me. It's in the safe. That's all anybody needs to know. I'm not going to tell you what kind. I'm not going to show it to you. That's not what this channel is about. I will reiterate that until I'm blue in the face and until everybody stops asking. So, let's put our heads together and let's talk. I love you. I will see you in the next one. And, yeah, scary times. It's already starting. Scary times. I'll talk to you later. If you need me, you know how to get a hold of me. Bye.